Are we ready? Nikki, are you ready? What's up? We're Neglected from Greensboro, North Carolina. Yo, this is a tiny space. Let's see it get opened up. Move that shit.
Fuck this place up!
How's everybody doing tonight? Yo, so apologies on my personal end for pushing this whole show fucking back. I had to drive from Danville, Virginia to get here tonight. This is crazy to be the last band. This is sick. So this is our fourth show. Two of them we put in South Carolina, this being one of them. This is a lot better. The one we played in Florence, I got my fucking car window busted out because we got in a fight. I bought a new one. Please don't smash it. So check it. We're really stoked to be here, raising money for this place. We've never played here, but this place is cool as shit. And it's really cool for local business owners to open up their shit for bands like us who don't accept us in many places. It's also really cool to be playing with Trauma Queen. Those people have a really good fucking message. It's super sick. I'm really fucking bummed I missed Revenge Season, but I'm a huge fan of those guys too. Now I'm gonna stop running my mouth, but on one condition, you guys gotta fucking move for me a little more. Alright.
We're trying to bleed straight edge!
Yo, ladies, where you at?
Run, Sing the fucking love!
Check it. We got 2 more songs. This next song we released through Truckcore. It's called Fair Weather. It's off our upcoming EP, Significance of Pain. And yo, check it out. This song is about every fake motherfucker who wants to act like they care about gay people or people of color, but they go use the word faggot or racial slurs. Fuck all you fake motherfuckers. This song is called Fair Weather. Hit that shit up. This one goes out to all our friends in PKC. PKC, Bay City Rock, Charleston Hardcore, South Carolina Hardcore. Everybody, this is for you. One more time.
Sword the side, motherfucker! Do that shit! Ow, ow, ow! I'm so sick! You're better!